Hey everyone, it's Azra. Today we're diving into one of my favorite design secrets, curtains. The right curtains can transform a room from ordinary to elegant. Curtains frame your windows, the eyes of your home. They add texture, warmth, and soft, natural light. I'll share tips for choosing, styling, and hanging curtains. Get ready to add affordable elegance to your home. Choosing the right fabric is the first step in creating that upscale curtain look. When I think luxurious curtains, fabrics like velvet immediately come to mind. It's soft, it drapes beautifully, and it just screams elegance. Silk adds a touch of shimmer and sophistication, while jacquard brings in intricate patterns and textures. And don't underestimate the power of high-quality linen. It has this timeless appeal, and it can create a relaxed yet refined look. Elevate your curtains by hanging them correctly. Install curtain rods closer to the ceiling. This makes windows look taller and rooms feel grand. Extend rods beyond window width. Open curtains fully for more light and openness. Now let's talk color. The right color palette can make your curtains blend seamlessly with your decor or become a stunning focal point in the room. For a timeless, elegant look, you can never go wrong with neutral shades like ivory, cream, beige, or even a soft gray. If you want to make a bolder statement, consider incorporating rich jewel tones like emerald green, sapphire blue, or ruby red. Layering curtains is one of my favorite design tricks. It adds depth, dimension, and a touch of curated elegance to any room. Imagine this: a set of sheer, flowy curtains diffusing soft, natural light during the day, paired with heavier blackout drapes for privacy and a cozy ambiance at night. You can experiment with different combinations. Try pairing sheer linen curtains with velvet drapes for a classic, sophisticated look. The way your curtains are pleated at the top can also make a huge difference in the overall look. For a tailored, upscale look, consider using pleated or structured curtain styles. Pencil pleats are a classic choice, creating a clean and timeless look that works in almost any room. Pinch pleats add a bit more volume and formality, perfect for traditional or elegant spaces. Don't forget the hardware. Curtain rods, finials, and tiebacks might seem like small details, but they can elevate your curtains. Opt for rods with character, like sleek black, brushed gold, or antique brass. Tiebacks add elegance and functionality. And don't underestimate a beautiful finial. One of my favorite ways to create a truly luxurious look with curtains is to go for full and flowing panels. We're talking curtains that gracefully graze the floor, adding a sense of grandeur and sophistication to any space. When choosing the width of your curtains, make sure they're at least twice the width of your window. This ensures that you have enough fabric for those beautiful folds and drapes. Just like any other element in your home, keeping your curtains clean and crisp is key to maintaining that luxurious look. Regular cleaning removes dust and allergens, keeping your home healthy and your curtains looking their best. Ironing or steaming your curtains after cleaning helps to remove wrinkles and restore their original shape, giving them that polished, expensive look. There you have it. Curtains can make a dramatic difference in your home. Create a luxury look without the hefty price tag. Choose the right fabrics and hang them strategically. Add finishing touches to elevate the look. Step back and enjoy the transformation. Creating a beautiful home should be a joy. Until next time, happy decorating.